In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem an Amazon voucher, ensuring you'll never have any unused gift card funds accumulating. Whether it's a physical card or an electronic gift sent via email or text, this process is straightforward and seamless. Let's dive into it. First, you need to locate your voucher code. If you're holding a physical gift card, search for the claim code typically concealed beneath a scratch-off area or a peel-off sticker on the card's back. For electronic versions, however, the gift card code should be included straightforwardly within an email or text message you receive from Amazon. Once you have that code in hand, it's time to redeem your voucher. Begin by accessing the Amazon website or the Amazon app, depending on your preference. When using the website, direct yourself to the Redeem a Gift Card page. This can be easily found through your account settings. Simply navigate to either the Amazon Pay Balance or Gift Cards section, and you'll find the redemption option there. If you're using the Amazon app, head over to your account settings, look for the Gift Card Balance or Amazon Pay Balance section, and select the feature that allows you to redeem a gift card. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to enter your voucher code. Carefully type in the code, ensuring there are no extra spaces or errors in the alphanumeric sequence. Precision is key here. After entering the code, click on the button that allows you to apply this code to your Amazon balance, and there you have it. Your Amazon balance should now reflect the voucher amount. With your balance updated, you can use it towards your Amazon purchases. Whenever you place an order, the available balance will automatically be applied at checkout. It's a convenient way to utilize your gift card funds without having to input the code each time you buy something. However, if for some reason you should decide not to use your balance for a specific purchase, you have the option to uncheck this feature before completing the transaction. That's all it takes to redeem an Amazon voucher. This simple and efficient process ensures your gift card values are readily available to enhance your shopping experience. Happy shopping, and make sure to keep an eye out for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time.